Welcome to Maths Genius. Today we will be covering an important topic in the English language portion. Now we will be talking about question number 2. As we are aware that question number 2 primarily deals with the early years, right? So I believe that first part will be on the development of languages. This 4 marks part, right? Language, that is Sindhi, I have written it down as well. So because it has not been tested in the recent past, then how did the successors of Aurangzeb contribute to the downfall? So second is like related to downfall of Mughal Empire, and the third one, what I believe is was the Industrial Revolution in Britain the most important reason why the British were able to take control of India between 1750 and 1850. Explain your answer. So I believe that this will be the 14 marks part. Please prepare these questions, especially part C, because it's a bit difficult one. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and share this video, and subscribe my channel for more videos and updates.